All right, teachers, now I'm going to show you how you can work on a whiteboard and show some explanation on a Google Meet. One is, there are several ways, but I think using Canva is going to be a better option. Before the meet starts, you should have Canva already prepared. Write whiteboard over here. It should be templates. And then when you click on search, it's going to bring you here. Click on create a blank whiteboard. And now you have a whiteboard. Now you can do your explanation in whichever way you want. Write the things um, that are needed. These are the different tools: eraser, highlighters, shapes. Again, you can change the shape, the color of the shape. These are the different tools. So you have to explore and see what is suitable for your need. So this way is suitable when you are explaining. Now, right now I'm doing this on another tab, but the children have not been shared with it. So what I want to say is that before the meet starts, the whiteboard needs to be in place. And when you want the explanation to be done, go on sharing screen and go to this one. This is the tab, and then click on share. So now the children will be looking at it when you are doing all the explanation and making changes, writing what you think is suitable for the explanation. So this is one way of doing it, that the explanation is done through this way by digitally explaining it on a board. One way. The other thing, if you want the children to come and write something on this, that means collaborate, you have to do it in a separate way because you want the children to come digitally over here. So the next step for them to join this is that you are going to uh, go on this tab. Only you can access. You can, anyone with the link can edit, copy link, and then you are going to share this link with the students in the chat area. And you will inform and request the students to join this with the link. So let's see. I have another person on the call with the name Tech Support, and let's see what happens when that person joins. All right, Tech Support is there, and I have informed Tech Support to open up just wait. Tech Support is here. Okay, make it a point that this should be pinned. Why we are pinning it? So that the students get to see this pin even if they are not there earlier, even if they have not joined the meet earlier. So always pin your important chats. Okay, now you can see that the tech support person is here and is trying to draw. And you can see that the tech support is drawing something. So by sharing the link of this thing, you can go and ask the children to collaborate. I hope I have helped you understand it. Please look at the video again if you think uh, that it is a little confusing. Please look at it one more time and ask any questions for any confusion that you have. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.